Hello guys, welcome to episode 2 of Science and Technology. Today I'm going to teach you about light. Did you guys know the sun is the largest natural source of light? The surface temperature of the sun is more than 6,000 degrees Celsius. That's cool, right? Did you guys know light travels at a speed of 186,411 miles or seconds per whatever, which is 1,000,000 times faster than the speed of sound. That is really true. Light is faster than sound. When light enters a glass, you guys know when light enters a glass prism, it bends. Since each color in white light has a different wavelength, they travel at different speeds. The color with less speed is bent more than the one that travels faster, causing them to be separated. This property is called dispersion. Dispersing colors is very cool. Did you guys know reflections on still water are called specular reflections? In specular reflection, light coming from a particular direction is reflected onto a single direction, giving a clear image on the surface of the reflecting medium. That is very true. Oh my god, I just can't believe how much I know, man. Like light bulbs, candles are artificial sources of light. They consist of a wick inside a column of solid fuel made of wax. Like all light sources, candles emit heat as well as light. Wow! Did you guys, this is very important and awesome. Did you guys know shadows are formed when light is blocked by an object? All materials that block light even a little can form shadows. This means that even a tissue paper and soap bubbles, both of which allow light to pass through them, form shadows because they are not completely transparent. However, solids like us form the darkest shadows. This is because we block light completely. The sharpness and the length of a shadow depend on the position of the light source and its distance from the object. A single bright beam of light coming from one direction casts a clear shadow, whereas if light is cast from several beams coming from different directions, they may not be a shadow, or it might be blurred. It's like so bright. Like on sundown or whatever. Sundown? I forgot what it's called. Sundown? I have something besides. Oh yeah. At sundown, it'll be very tight because everything looks black. That's the power of light. Yeah, baby. Light can travel through empty space, even in a vacuum where there is no air. To the naked eye, light appears to travel in straight lines. Light emitted by flashlight is an example of this. However, in reality, light travels in waves. It travels only in one direction, but in a way that is similar to ripples a pond with continuous crests and troughs. Light is measured by the distance between two consecutive crests, which is the wavelength and the height of the crest from the trough, and which is its amplitude amount of energy. Each color that makes up white light has a different wavelength. The light is a key to help us see. Hey guys, ever heard of skewed version or skewed version? In a In the picture, the line dividing the red and white surfaces seems skewed when seen through the glass of water. This is due to the refraction of light. I'll show you the picture in just a second. Did you guys know light mostly appears to be white or yellow, but is actually made up of numerous colors? Isaac Newton discovered that light passing through a glass prism will be broken down into violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, red, and orange. Vigor. This is the best demonstrated by the rainbow. The rainbow. Ever heard of the rainbow? It's like a U-shaped thing. The color of the objects around us is determined by which colors of light they absorb and which ones they reflect. A red object absorbs most of the colors and reflects red. Black objects absorb most colors to appear dark, while white ones reflect most colors to appear white. Like, what it's talking about, like a rainbow has too many colors reflected by light. That's cool. White ones reflect to most colors that to appear white. Black objects absorb more colors to appear dark. Red object absorbs most of the objects and reflects red. In a kaleidoscope has a transparent compartment with bits of colored glass or paper at one end on the cylinder and a viewing hole at the opposite end. Within the cylinder are two long mirrors that create multiple reflections of the pattern created by colored bits. There's a picture talking about that, and I'll show you the picture right in just a second. Sorry, man, that's the end of the show, but watch part 2 over here and subscribe down here.